study environmental engineering here at UMass Lowell. I love engineering. It's a great major. It makes you think a lot about how things work, how to make things better, how to be efficient, and how to be sustainable. And I think that that's where I learned my love of sustainability. I've always been a big advocate for the earth.
My role at UMass Lowell is to promote and educate the greater community on waste initiatives. I started here and wanted to be a park ranger. That was my dream. And so I went off into my world of career services, and leadership development, program management. An opportunity came out where someone knew I was very, very passionate about recycling in the earth and got me into a position when I showed my passion and my true colors for the love of trash and recycling.
What drove me to it was I was in an environmental ethics class. From there we had to volunteer, and I decided to come back and do more events and eventually started working here. I've always loved the environment. I've loved what it gives back to us, and I wanted to give back to the environment.
I actually started as a biology pre-medical major. I knew that I wanted to be in STEM. I knew that I was capable of being in STEM. And I switched to environmental engineering because I wanted to be an environmental scientist. In my 4 years as an engineer, I have learned a wide variety of skills that range from solving equations to solving problems. I think that engineers, one of the most beneficial things that they learn is how to problem solve.
We work with so many different departments in here, and if you can't work well with others, it's very challenging.
We communicate. So that's probably the biggest and most important skill that I use here in my everyday life. I think that students are starting more and more to understand that life is just a learning lab. And they're going to utilize their skills that they use in the classroom in their life every single day.
We're educating every person that we talk to. We're out in the community. We're not sitting behind the desk. I'm in front of folks teaching and educating and learning from others as well. And I think that that's just so enriching.